When I broke my front tooth in a sport accident, I was in complete despair. I was scheduled to interview for my dream job just 3 days later. The timing couldn't have been worse. I went to my dentist's. She examined the damage, took an X-ray of the broken tooth, and a 3D image scan. She then confirmed that I met the required criteria for a same-day tooth replacement. At the next appointment, my dentist extracted the damaged tooth, then placed an implant and crown immediately in 1 session. I basically walked out of the practice with a new tooth. During my job interview, nobody noticed. I felt so self-confident, and I even landed the job. My dentist explained that this crown is provisional, and I'll get the permanent crown in a few months, once my jawbone and gum have healed, and the implant is fully secure. When I think back to my treatment, I'm still amazed at how fast, painless, and successful the whole procedure went. My dentist really changed my life. Ask your dentist about immediate treatment and see what a difference a day can make to your smile. Of course, you'll need to discuss all the benefits of a procedure, as well as any possible risks, with your clinician.